You like to eat, I like to cook. Jimmy Vegan is the name, food and travel is my game. This is the only plant-based vegan chicken enchilada recipe you will ever need. I love it because it's easy, it's packed with flavor, smothered in the enchilada sauce, topped with the melty vegan cheese. What is not to love, I ask you people? Meal prep friendly, it's customizable. If you want to adjust the spice level, you can do so. You want to make it gluten-free with gluten-free tortillas, you can do so. You can add black beans for extra protein. You can saute onions and bell peppers for more texture if you like. And you can also add some jalapenos if you like it a little spicier. There are not enough words to describe how amazingly delicious this chicken enchilada recipe is. It's savory, it's cheesy, it's tangy, it's rich, it's satisfying, it's hearty, it's all the things. With simple ingredients, minimal prep, and it's ready in no time. Even non-vegans will love this comforting dish. And it's great for meal prep, so you can make a bunch of these and pack it for the rest of the week. Want more easy and delicious plant-based recipes? Grab my recipe pack. It's the first link in the description below.